don't scroll. Just give me 10 seconds of your time. Hi, I'm a small business owner. I've been really struggling with visibility. My content is great and I show up daily, but still, there is no change. With your assistance, I will be able to get new eyes on my page and potential customers. All I need you to please do for me is drop a like and a comment on this video. By doing that, you'll be telling TikTok that my content is valuable and they should show it to more people. My products are amazing and I offer quality services. I would really appreciate if you can engage with my post so TikTok can take my page to my potential customers for you page. If you're coming across my page for the first time, I promise you patronizing my small business would not be a regret for you. Thank you so much for helping me blow up my small business.